I accept the outpouring of Spirit. Hereby we know that we dwell in Him, and He in us, because He hath given us of His Spirit. 1 John 4:13. How could we better explain this than to use the words of Robert Browning? "'Tis thou, God, who giveth, 'tis I who receive," or Emerson, who said that we are beneficiaries of the divine fact. The thoughts of Brother Emerson and Browning were thoughts of acceptance and recognition. Like all men of great spiritual insight, they knew that the gift of life is an eternal reality, that it is our office to accept it. Today, I accept this gift of divine life and love that God has eternally given to me and to everyone. With deep gratitude and a childlike simplicity, I enter into the joy and the peace that come from the realization of divine guidance. For I know that love guides my thoughts even as it guards my life and action. I know that the eternal presence is really embracing everything. In this presence, I serenely and confidently rest, placing all my hope and aspiration in its loving care. In this love, I embrace the world and affirm that peace shall come on earth and goodwill exist among people everywhere. I also realize that I belong to the universe in which I live, and it belongs to me. It is the gift of God. I am unified with everyone I will ever meet, and they with me. For we all are manifestations of the one presence, gratefully acknowledging and gladly receiving this benediction from heaven. I live and love and accept life in its fullness.